Despite multiple lawsuits against him, former U.S. President Donald Trump still leads all 2024 Republican presidential candidates in all the polls. A trial, however, in Colorado could derail his campaign by disqualifying him from office for his efforts to overturn the 2020 election. CGTN's Hendrik Sybrandy has the details.
In Denver District Court, a trial with major national ramifications is underway.
6 Colorado voters, 4 Republicans and 2 independents, brought this case to ensure Colorado has a fair election among eligible candidates.
The plaintiffs argue that former President Donald Trump is ineligible to be on Colorado's March 5th primary ballot because of his role in this, the January 6, 2021 insurrection at the U.S. Capitol.
Trump incited a violent mob to attack our Capitol to stop the peaceful transfer of power under our Constitution.
Thus violating, attorney Eric Olson said, Section 3 of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which forbids those who took an oath to support it and then engaged in insurrection or rebellion from holding federal office.
Trump engaged in insurrection and therefore cannot appear on the ballot.
It's certainly a plausible claim.
Legal expert Ian Farrell at the University of Denver says this disqualification clause, passed after the U.S. Civil War to keep former Confederate officials from holding power, seems to apply here. But Section 3 has only rarely been enforced. Courts have yet to rule on it. It's clear you have to be 35 years old and born in this country to run for president. But this is a lot more nebulous.
There's very little for the court to rely on in terms of what the words mean and whether the conduct of former President Trump satisfies, for instance, the meaning of insurrection or rebellion.
Backers of the Colorado lawsuit say Trump clearly encouraged the insurrectionists.
We will not take it anymore.
Opponents of the suit say Trump was simply engaging in free speech on January 6th and before, that his role in these events and the way they've been portrayed are overblown, that courts shouldn't be able to cancel the votes of Trump supporters.
Millions of people look to him for hope and inspiration. And who are the petitioners to prevent those people from not being able to vote on that? Who are they?
Judges in a similar Minnesota lawsuit worry that invoking Section 3 creates the possibility
for just chaos. So should we do it, even if we could do it, and we can do it?
One judge will decide the issue in Colorado, but the case likely won't end there.
It's a massively important decision. I think it's inevitable that it will go to the U.S. Supreme Court, regardless of which way she rules.
Creating even more unknowns going into a crucial election year. Hendrik Sybrandy, CGTN, Denver.